In the middle of Costa Rica's hottest and driest region, the floodplains of the Rio Tempisque form an extensive and diverse patchwork of habitats, including fresh and saltwater marshes, lagoons, lakes, savanna woodlands, and forest. A boat tour along the Tempisque River is a popular way of exploring the bird life of the mangrove forest of the Palo Verde National Park. The rich and diverse ecosystem boasts 300 different species of birds, from the ringed kingfishers to the great white egrets. Also within the marsh, such species as the black-bellied whistling duck, the blue-winged teal, and the northern jacana have been observed. Teal, geese, and ducks arrive from North America to winter in the park each year, along with many neotropical migrants including hummingbirds, warblers, and tanagers. Different species of herons are bountiful at Palo Verde, from the colonies of boat-billed herons, which may seem elusive at times, but can be spotted nesting in the trees, to great blue herons, little green herons, yellow-crowned night herons, and the nation's largest colony of black-crowned night herons. On your visit to Palo Verde National Park, you may even get lucky and see a black eagle as it spreads its wings to dry himself. This graceful eagle is one of the park's larger resident raptors, usually seen skimming over the dense forest where it makes its home. Known to be habitual nest robbers, the black eagle measures 75 to 100 centimeters and has a wingspan of 200 centimeters. Palo Verde is also home to other avian exotics, such as the chestnut-mandibled toucan and the only permanent colony of scarlet macaws in the dry tropics. To round off our tour of the birds of Palo Verde, we come to the snowy egret, which is easily identifiable by its golden slippers.